Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change your Lazada Gcash number. So first is you have to open your Lazada application and then log into your account. So once you're here, you'll be able to find this account option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. So simply tap on this one. All right, and then after that, right here, just have to scroll down and look for the payment options. So you have that right here under the Laz Fin. So tap on the payment options. All right, and right here for your digital wallet, we have the Gcash and Maya. So tap on the Gcash and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So if you have an existing Gcash number right here, so you'd be able to see that. But since we don't have that, what we can do here now is to log in using our mobile number. So just simply type out right here your Gcash mobile number. Okay, after that, you just have to tap on next. And then you just have to put here the code that you are going to receive. And then after that, you just have to confirm your actions so that you'll be able to connect your new Gcash number here on Lazada. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.